just from, an organizational point of view, it's collaboration, right? This is collaboration that goes deeper than we typically had in the past when we go through organizational changes, working with our IT, working with finance, working with legal, working with HR, and have them truly partner with you. That when you go to the elevator, they don't just push the button with you, they go up to the next floor, they get in the elevator, they come up, and they'll sit at the table to talk about what this is doing. The barriers that are gonna come about is, how do you get that deep collaboration and partnership across the organizations to show that this is not only going to transform one individual organization, it has the impact to touch all of us to make us more efficient and more dynamic in that phase.
I think another thing that leaders can do today is really help with that psychological change management, right? To make it a safe thing to embrace agentic AI, right? To encourage people to become managers of agents, that, if they do want to grow in the company, that, become that manager of agents. Don't run away from it. Don't be fearful, because that is the job of the future, is to be a manager of agents. So it's a big change, and psychologically, we find that's a hurdle early on in projects.
Data quality is always the holy grail going forward. Everyone's going to look for it. Everyone's going to try to attain to it. When you start implementing within an AI framework, you just need to go in there and know that you're going to constantly evolve, but you're going to constantly evolve in a good way, because the agents, the AI programs, the initiatives you run are going to uncover and unlock a lot of data and inconsistencies that you have. You won't get there unless you start looking into them as an opportunity area. So data perfection is not the way to go. It's about getting in there, start looking at what are the opportunities, be willing to be creative, disruptive, and also innovate quickly on this, and leverage the data you have, and then look at how you enrich it. How do you go further that you didn't think about before? That's when you start really unlocking that potential of data cleanliness, and it doesn't become the barrier anymore.
And from a Pactum perspective, how we want to use AI and are using it is to be strategic advisors to our customers. Because all the different use cases are very new, they're emerging, they're changing so fast. What we view our role is to be that guide to help our customers see, okay, here's the commodity categories, here's some strategies that have been used, here's use cases you can deploy. You have to get the maximum savings, you get the maximum momentum, right? Because the momentum is really what generates that excitement and further use.